Okay, the nested loop is a criteria where we have one looping completely enclosed in another loop. So in this situation, we have a switch loop that is completely enclosed within a for loop structure. So here the switch case is intended to take the case constants based on the for loop iterator that has been assigned. But here C takes the value 1 till the value 10. So for that C 1 to 10, the average number of case constants values can be assigned for the switch case statement. So for case 1, it is doing the addition operation between two operands. For case 2, it is doing the multiplication operation between two operands. And for 3 to 10 as such, we can see there is no arithmetic operation being designed. Hence, for that 3 to 10, for the value of C, a default output will be printed out, that is invalid choice. Now let us analyze the situation for the same on a Visual Studio platform. So we visit the Visual Studio debugger. Yeah. Now we have declared three variables C, A, and B. A and B are the two operands for which we need to do the operation, and C is the decider of the limit of how many operations you want to carry out. So that has been done with the help of the C. And once that has been done, here all the C, A, and B, all the three are decided at the runtime environment. So now for the here the K has to iterate from the value 1 till C, because the K is the decider of the limit of how many operations you want to carry out. And C will decide till what limit you want to carry. And that will be decided at the runtime when you feed it. So if C is fed to be 5, then K will take 1 to 5. And accordingly, K statement will take the constants 1 to 5. And if that is the situation, for case 1, addition will happen as we can see. For case 2, it's a subtraction between the two operands we can see. And for 3 to 5, we can see there is no valid arithmetic operation being designed. So for the 3 to 5, we can see a default labeling will be coming up, invalid operation for input. Now let us analyze the situation. Now let us do one more case statement we can assign. We can give the case value 3, and based on the case value 3, we can give a product operation. So we can just label it as a product of the two is. A star B, and this, and followed by a break statement. We have to make sure that each case has a break. And here we have to give the proper syntax. Yeah, we can see for the case 3, it's a product. For case 1, it is doing the summation. Case 2, it's a difference. Case 3, it's a product. And if n is assigned to be 5, then for 4 and 5, we have an invalid operation. So let us go for build and go for the output. And we're waiting for the debugger, it's build success. So we go for the start button, go for the debugging session of the page. And once that has been done, we'll go for putting the inputs based on which we can get the output choices. So here we are asking, the computer is asking for the limit. So we can give 10 operations, but we have only valid 3 operations. Now the compiler will ask for putting the operands. So let us give it as 75 and 25. And soon we put enter, we'll get the first 3 operations of some difference in product. And for 3 to 7, 4 to 7, we can see it's an invalid operation. Yeah, that's what we are seeing. In addition, it is 75 plus 25. And for product, it is a difference. The difference of the two is 75 minus 25, that's 50, and the product of the two is actually, that's correct. 75 and 25 is 1875. And for the C values from 4 to 10, we have no arithmetic operation, so it's invalid operation. Labeling has come up.